Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a video about a TikTok for the beginner, and I would like to show you the way how to create a TikTok story. So the thing that you have to do, open your TikTok application and sign in into your account, and whenever you're done, now you just need to go into this plus buttons right here to access the camera section. And whenever you are in the camera section, you can choose either you want to capture it by yourself on the photo form or in the video with this typical durations that provided by the TikTok. And after you finish, you just need to start recording. And if you are satisfied with the result of the video, go click this checklist button. And now,
What's a girl?
and now there will be two options right here. Either you want to go click next to upload it into your feed, or you can also directly click this your story to upload it into your story. And now it starts to be uploaded. So that's the way how to create TikTok story on so that's the way how to create a TikTok story. Hopefully this tutorial
Berapa kali Papa bilang?
for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.